Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming drones that's creating serious buzz across the tech world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. In this detailed exploration, we'll uncover everything from its leaked design, upgraded features, expected improvements in performance, and of course, the latest release date predictions. Whether you're a drone hobbyist, content creator, traveler, or just someone curious about where drone technology is heading, this video is for you. Let's get right into it and break down what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro such a highly anticipated RELEASE DJI Mini 5 Pro. Raising the bar in compact drones, DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to push the limits of what's possible in the ultralight drone category. DJI's Mini lineup has always stood out for being compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, especially staying under the 249 grams mark, a key weight that helps users avoid stricter drone regulations in many parts of the world. But this time, DJI seems ready to redefine expectations. Based on recent insider leaks and carefully analyzed early images, this drone may offer more than just an incremental upgrade. It could be a major leap forward. Design changes, smart refinement with a focus on usability when it comes to the physical design. The DJI Mini 5 Pro seems to carry forward the familiar folding arm structure that's made the Mini series so portable and easy to carry. However, significant design refinements are on the horizon. There are reports suggesting the introduction of single-piece propellers that could lead to faster setup times and possibly more efficient flight performance. On the other hand, some sources indicate DJI might retain the classic foldable propeller design but improve the overall motor and air vent systems to boost both stability and cooling. While these early design leaks don't all agree, what's clear is that DJI is focusing on enhancing the drone's wind resistance, a long-standing weakness in previous Mini models. With better aerodynamic efficiency and potential frame adjustments, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could offer much stronger stability even in challenging windy environments. Smarter obstacle avoidance, a new level of flight safety. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the Mini 5 Pro's obstacle avoidance system. Leaks suggest that this drone might feature an advanced radar-assisted sensor, similar to the technology seen in DJI's more premium models. If this turns out to be true, the Mini 5 Pro would be capable of smarter object detection and more reliable tracking, even in areas with poor lighting or more complex flight paths. This is a significant improvement over the basic sensors of previous Minis, and could make flying much safer and easier for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Improved obstacle sensing could also enhance automated flight functions, including more accurate return to home, better active track, and safer flights in tighter spaces. A serious camera upgrade, big sensor and a small drone. And now let's talk about what really captures everyone's attention: the camera. Multiple reliable sources are hinting at a huge upgrade. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be equipped with a 1-inch camera sensor, a massive jump from what was available on the Mini 4 Pro. A 1-inch sensor in a drone under 249 grams would be a groundbreaking move. This would allow the Mini 5 Pro to deliver superior image quality, sharper 4K video, and impressive low-light performance. Such an upgrade would give drone photographers and videographers a lightweight option without compromising on professional results. The camera gimbal is also rumored to be getting a redesign. Early visuals suggest that we may see improved stabilization and faster response times, with potential support for vertical video shooting, perfect for creators producing content for social media. If DJI can pull off this balance of professional-grade imaging in such a compact package, it would set a new benchmark for ultralight drones. Longer flight time, more time in the sky. Flight time is one of the most crucial features for drone pilots, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to offer a substantial improvement here. Based on leaked specifications, the drone may include a 4,680 mAh battery, which could extend flight time to around 50 minutes under optimal conditions. That's a huge step forward from its predecessors and would place the Mini 5 Pro among the longest-lasting drones in its class. Extended flight times aren't just a bonus. They give users more creative freedom, whether you're filming a long sequence, covering large areas, or simply enjoying longer sessions without the hassle of swapping batteries frequently. Paired with more energy-efficient motors and aerodynamic tweaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could offer one of the most satisfying flying experiences yet. Enhanced wind performance, tackling the Mini's biggest weakness. Strictly, DJI's Mini drones have struggled to stay steady in breezy conditions due to their lightweight. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to directly address this challenge. Rumors suggest improved motor power, redesigned propellers, and optimized body design to significantly improve wind resistance. This would make the drone far more dependable in real-world flying conditions, especially in coastal areas, hills, and open landscapes where wind can be unpredictable. If this improvement holds true, the Mini 5 Pro will not only appeal to beginners, but will also attract professionals who need a compact, travel-ready drone that can still handle tough environments. Potential first-in-class certification. Some sources indicate that the DJI Mini 5 Pro might become the first drone in its category to meet new safety certification standards, possibly qualifying under the FAA's Category 1 guidelines in the United States. This would mean users could enjoy advanced features without dealing with heavy regulation, making the Mini 5 Pro especially attractive to travelers, casual drone users, and even certain commercial operators. Such certification would confirm that DJI is not just building a better drone, but also focusing on safer flying experiences with wider access. Expected launch timeline. When can we expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to officially launch? Based on multiple leaks from trusted insiders, it's anticipated that DJI will unveil the Mini 5 Pro on August 7th. While this is not yet confirmed by DJI itself, the timing aligns well with the current wave of certifications and leaked product photos appearing across the industry. As for pricing, there's no official number yet, but considering the potential camera, battery, and sensor upgrades, it's likely that the Mini 5 Pro will be priced above the previous Mini 4 Pro. Still, the value proposition seems strong if DJI delivers everything that's currently rumored. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth waiting for? Looking at everything we know so far, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most impressive compact drones we've seen, with its potential to offer professional-grade camera capabilities, longer flight times, improved wind resistance, and smarter safety systems, all while staying under 249 grams. This could easily become the new gold standard for lightweight drones. Stay connected with technology in the future as we bring you the latest updates, hands-on reviews, and official news as soon as DJI makes their announcements. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content, and drop a like if you found this deep dive helpful. I'll see you in the next video right here on Technology in the Future.